Hi, this is Hadas from Mike in Canva, and I'd like to show you how you can apply your brand kit while using Canva AI. So all you have to do is just click on the plus and then choose the brand kit. Choose whichever brand kit you have, and that will be added as an image. Now ask for Canva to create whatever you want, a coming soon poster, whatever it is that you need. Choose the format, and you'll get a few options. Let's say, for example, I'm going to choose this one. What you can do is you still can make adjustments, but you can see that all my brand guidelines are implemented in this design. I can also make a few editing right inside here, Canva AI. So you can see that I can change the text. I could also change the colors by using different color palettes. But you can do a lot of things from here. You can also continue this discussion with Canva and ask Canva to be more precise or make a few changes or add anything, subtract anything. Anyway, you can also take it to the editor and continue working from here. So also from here, I can use my brand kit and add my logo and do more adjustments just as much as you need. Canva is always thinking about how to make things easier, better, and on brand. Let me know in the comments what you think.